Hi everyone, today on Stacey's Country Cooking, I'm going to be making a rice dish. I really don't have a name for it, but it's really delicious and I think you'll like it. First of all, I'm going to start off with a tablespoon of coconut oil. A tablespoon of coconut oil. This is another vegetable dish. If you don't want to use chicken broth, you can use vegetable broth in it. Okay. I'm going to add my 1 Vidalia onion diced up. I have the colored bell peppers. I got yellow, orange, red, and green. I just buy the bag of baby bell peppers. I usually get a bag full for about $2 and something. So now I'm going to saute my peppers and onions. Look how beautiful and colorful. To these peppers and onions, I'm going to add some seasonings while they cook. I've got garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, pepper, salt, and I'm going to add these to the peppers and onions. It adds a lot of flavor to them. Sometimes I add smoked sausage to this and let it cook in it. This is another dish for Homesteading with Sadie. I'm fixing. I'm gonna add my garlic, some minced garlic. Okay, now I'm going to use this kind of rice. It's got like 5 different kinds of rice in there. I'm going to use a cup of these. And I'm going to kind of toast them a little. See how pretty. I'm going to put them in my peppers and onions. I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced onions. I'm going to use chicken broth, but you can use vegetable broth to make it all vegetables and no meat products. And I'm going to use some kidney beans that I've rinsed and drained. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook. Simmer. I have about a cup of diced tomatoes, fresh tomatoes cut up. I'm gonna salt them. After the 15 minutes is up, I like mine more juicy than dry, so that's why mine has a lot of liquid in it. But if you don't, you can add more rice or you can add less broth. I'm gonna add the tomatoes to it. Stir them around. Okay, I'm gonna let them cook in there for a little while. Let them simmer. Okay, the tomatoes in the rice have been cooking about 15 minutes more, or on simmer. I'm gonna take the lid off and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, this is what it looks like. Everything's kind of come together. I'm gonna plate it up. Look how pretty. I'm gonna taste it. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Thank you all for joining me today on Stacey's Country Cooking. I really appreciate all of you all that watches and has subscribed to my channel. It means so much to me. Thank you all. Hope you have a great day.